In this video, I will show you how to set up Microsoft Authenticator. Once you have installed the Microsoft Authenticator app from the Play Store or App Store, open it. The first step is to add an account. Tap Add Account on your screen, then choose whether you have a personal Microsoft account or a work or school account. I will select Personal Account. Now, there are two ways to add your Microsoft account to the Authenticator app. First, you can sign in with Microsoft. You will be asked to enter your email and password to log in. Second, you can scan a QR code. If you choose this option, you will need to get a QR code from your Microsoft account settings on your computer. To generate the QR code, open your browser, go to the Microsoft website, and log in. Click on the profile icon in the upper right corner and select My Microsoft Account. Once inside, open the menu bar on the left and click Security. Then, select Manage How I Sign In. Scroll down and click Add a new way to sign in or verify. Choose Use an app, as we will be using the Microsoft Authenticator app. On the next screen, you will see an option that says Set up a different Authenticator app. Click on it and a QR code will appear on your screen. Now go back to your Microsoft Authenticator app, allow camera permissions if required, and scan the QR code. Once scanned, select your Microsoft account and the app will generate a one-time password, OTP. Enter this OTP on your Microsoft account page on your PC and click Next. Now, your Microsoft Authenticator app is successfully linked to your Microsoft account. To enhance security, you can enable two-step verification by scrolling down on the same page and clicking Turn On under Two-Step Verification. Click Next, then Next again, and finally, click Finish. This ensures that every time you log in, you will need to enter a one-time password from the Microsoft Authenticator app, which resets every 30 seconds. And that's how you set up Microsoft Authenticator.